Hey, it's Mike, and today I want to talk about GameStop because last week GameStop probably had one of the ugliest weeks ever, where it started the week at around 15 and ended at 1040, which was basically 1/3 of the price just getting a haircut. However, on Monday it did recover. It was up almost 3% and up almost 1% after that, after hours. So if you're into GameStop, this is a positive sign. I do think GameStop will probably at least recover 50% of this downside. So I do see it getting up to back to about maybe the 1250 level. Um, was there any news about GameStop slide? I don't think so. I think the news was just the stock had risen pretty high pretty quickly. It went from 9 to 15 in under a month. So naturally it's going to slide back down. It did slide back more than I expected. However, I do expect it to go back up because there was no really material reason for the stock to be down that hard that fast. And like I said, the story on GameStop is still really good with Ryan Cohen, the founder of Chewy.com, taking a stake in the company. Senvest took a 5.5% stake in the company. The company is shifting towards e-commerce. So it looks like this company is doing the smart thing. It's realizing that its future is not purely in retail, and it's going to have a strong e-commerce presence and take advantage of the fact that they have a huge customer base and they could sell other things besides video games. Maybe they could go more into electronics and stuff that people who buy electronics might be into. Anything from gaming chairs or whatever. But I do think GameStop is headed in the right direction. It's going to be a volatile stock, just because it's got a market cap of 700 million. Also because this company looked like it was going to go out of business a year ago. So if you do hang on to the stock, you really have to ride the incredible volatility that this stock will have. However, I do think 10 years from now, this stock will be surprisingly large. I do think it could be a $30 billion company at the end of this decade, which would be more than 30-fold increase from where it is today. The only thing it really needs to do is just get its new plan together and implement that plan. But overall, I think this week will be good. I know today is election day, and everybody says there's going to be a lot of volatility, but when people expect a lot of volatility, the actual volatility tends to be understated. And so we'll just see. And also, I don't think that the election itself would have a big role in how GameStop will perform because it's not really tied to whether Trump or Biden is president. So just my thoughts on GameStop. If you've been holding on to the stock and you've been nervous about it, it did have a nice bounce on Monday, and it should hopefully continue its upward swing on Tuesday. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a like on it, and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates each day on everything from stocks to options strategies. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.